guys, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Monica and I post videos all about personal finance, including budgeting during a crisis, investing for beginners, and saving money. So if you are interested in topics like those, you already know what to do. Be sure to subscribe down below to this channel. Join this community of people who are learning all about the stimulus check. Also, like if you are excited to hear about more stimulus check payment dates. And lastly, turn on your post notifications so you never miss any of my stimulus check updates or any of my uploads, specifically SSI, Ssdi, veterans, all beneficiaries. Be sure to turn on your post notifications. So congratulations are in order to the SSI, Ssdi, Social Security, RRB, veterans, representative payees who received their stimulus checks yesterday, May 22nd. This is truly great news. I am so happy for all of you. It has taken so long, but I am so happy that so many of you came and commented under my videos and you shared with me that you received your stimulus check. But if you have not received your check yet and you are in any of those groups of beneficiaries, I have some great news for you. So, Direct Express payees have gotten a stimulus check release date of May 28th. May 28th is a new stimulus check release date that has been added. Now, the IRS has been mentioning May 27th and May 29th the most, and now we have May 28th as an added date. So, those on SSI and Ssdi have begun receiving stimulus check payment deposit dates. Their stimulus payment will be coming on the 28th on their Direct Express cards. If you have a Direct Express card, if you have just direct deposit, your check should be coming to you on that date as well. And for those of you who are receiving checks, a lot more of those checks will be hitting your mailbox next week. Also, some of you have begun receiving calls from Social Security about your stimulus check being deposited this coming week, which is great news. For the first time, we are getting calls about our stimulus check instead of calling about our stimulus check. I know a lot of you have been trying the IRS phone number. You also tried calling Social Security to no avail, calling VA, no answers. But finally, they are calling us to let us know when we can expect our stimulus check money. I know I've gotten a lot of comments where people have called the IRS and have been asking, where is my stimulus check? So we have finally been getting these calls, which is great news. If you are waiting for stimulus that was taken from the non-custodial parent for child support, there are also pending dates for you as well. That money is to be sent out on Tuesday, May 26th. Now, if you still have questions for the IRS, I received a comment from one of my subscribers who was able to reach the IRS at the phone number 1-800-829-0583, extension 652. I'll share that phone number again. 1-800-829-0583, extension 652. I will also include in the description box one of my other videos where I'm talking about the IRS phone number. For the most part, a lot of people haven't been getting much success with the IRS phone number, but we don't need to worry about them right now. We have dates that our checks should be coming, and those are the 27th, the 28th, and the 29th. Now, Congress is on break now until next week when they have to come back. They are coming back next week for housekeeping rules that they have to handle. They are not tackling the HEROES Act yet, but what I think they should be doing is starting to put together either their own proposal, looking into the HEROES Act, deciding what they want to put in and take out so we can get the ball rolling. Personally, I don't think Congress should be taking a Memorial Day holiday break right now. The definition of a crisis means all hands on deck. Everything that is normal is not. We need to get the money into people's pockets and we need to get the ball rolling. The reason why Mitch McConnell said he has not chosen to move forward with the next stimulus package is because a lot of the money from the first 3.5 stimulus packages have not even gone out the door yet. He has said only half of the money has left the door. And my question is, why? Why is it that only half of the money that we have allocated to help in terms of stimulus relief, why is it that it's only half of the money that's gone out the door? Where is the other half? Who has dropped the ball? Why is this money not being cranked out at a faster speed? Now, the good news is a lot of us have received our stimulus check, are receiving our stimulus check, will be receiving our stimulus checks, which is all great news. So we know that portion of the CARES Act is being handled, but the truth is billions and trillions of dollars have been spent on this problem so far. So as of right now, if we've already rolled out 3.5 packages, we need to get that money dispersed so we can see what it's looking like, we can see how it's helped people, and then we can go ahead and assess and move forward with how the next stimulus package will help the people. So that is it. That is your quick update for today, May 23rd, for all of you SSI, Ssdi, Veterans Affairs, Social Security, RRB beneficiaries. A lot of your checks will be coming this week. I'm so happy for you and excited. Please be sure to comment down below. Let me know when you receive your stimulus check. Also, smash like this video. It really helps my channel out to get more information like this to viewers like you so that everyone can be helped and have all the information and all the knowledge. Also, please share this video with one person. You can click anywhere around this video. There's an option for you to share it, and you can share it with your community on Facebook and let more people know this information. It's so important. I know a lot of us are stressing about money and bills and everything like that, so the more people know, the better. So that is it. Also, please subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you all in the next stimulus check update. Bye, guys.